Here are 5 things that your agent should be doing while you're looking for a home to maximize efficiency and minimize stress. Number 1, your agent should be pre-screening your homes that you're going to be looking for. So if you have told your agent, hey, I do not want to back up to a busy road, well, guess what? The photos that the agent puts on the MLS or on Zillow, they're not going to show the busy road. So your agent needs to be looking at the map and making sure that there's not a busy road behind that. Your agent should also be going through the seller's disclosures and checking the roof age, the age of the AC, and all of that good stuff. Because if you've told your agent that you do not want to replace any big systems or do any big renovations, and you get to this house and it's your dream home, but the AC is like 25 years old or the roof is 25 years old, well, then your agent didn't do their job and you've just wasted 30 minutes driving to this house and looking through this house and falling in love with the house that doesn't meet your criteria. Number 2, your agent should be leveraging technology in order to save you time. So your agent should be very efficient in getting digital signatures, setting up real-time alerts so that you don't miss a listing, and they should also offer a portal to track listings and track your feedback in the listings. I also like to use Calendly, which is an app where my clients can go in and just schedule appointments with me. They can schedule showings with me, anything like that. So that way we don't have to play the whole, hey, are you busy Saturday at 4 p.m.? No, sorry, I got something else at Saturday at 4 p.m. What about Sunday at 10 a.m.? No, you should have access to my calendar. That way you can book schedules on your own time. And that brings me to my 3rd point. Your agent should be able to organize showings efficiently. That means this is before your working hours, after your working hours, and on the weekends. If your agent is not available after hours or on the weekends for you, that is going to be a red flag. Also, sometimes you do have a really busy agent and they're simply not available. They need to be able to have access to a showing agent. That way, if something comes on the market that's absolutely perfect for you, you are not missing out because they are too busy. Number 4, providing strategy and clarity up front. Your agent should be having a thorough consultation with you before you get started. I cannot tell you, when I first started my career, I was either too nervous or, too lazy to do these consultations with buyers, and it cost me and my buyers a lot of time in the long run. If you have an agent that is serious about their job, which is getting you into your dream home or your home for now, they need to be doing a consultation with you, because taking that time up front, even if it's an hour and 30 minutes, that is going to save you time in the long run, because it is going to allow your agent to really get to know what you're looking for and also make sure that you can afford it and that it's realistic for you. During this time, you are also going through the process so that there is no surprises down the road. And this is also a good time for you to get pre-approved and be interviewing lenders. At this appointment, you also should kind of get a rundown of the market. That way you know what to expect whenever you start looking at houses. And number 5, your agent should be handling the big stressors. That way you can focus on the small things like what couch you're going to fit in your living room and when are you guys going to move in. Your agent should be organizing the inspection. Your agent should be at the inspection. Your agent should be organizing the appraisal and the walkthrough and closing and just taking all of that off your plate. They should be coordinating your entire experience and making it very seamless for you. An agent's job is truly to try and take the stress away from you, to coordinate everything. Think of it like a wedding planner, but for buying a house. They should be coordinating, setting everything up for you, and just making it as easy as possible, and also setting all of the expectations for you so that you know what you're getting into.